For Cal Poly Ethnic Studies professor Victor Valle, food isn't just something you eat, it's a window into a world of deeper meaning. For the past year, he's been in Mexico on a Fulbright scholarship, researching how the chili pepper has served as a powerful symbol in Mesoamerican culture throughout history. Now back in the United States, Valle is continuing that research into how those meanings have continued in immigrant communities.
And this is chile tabiche. And what's interesting is that this is it's endemic or native to the Central Valley of Oaxaca. It's a hard flavor to describe. I would say nutty, very full-bodied, and really, really delicious.
In Mexico, Valle's research included meeting indigenous chefs and scouring archives for historical references to chilies that shed light on them as a cultural symbol. Here in Southern California, Valle has been visiting farms and produce markets to interview transplants from Mexico to see how those symbols have traveled.
What's happening here in Santa Maria is that farmers like Felipe Mendoza are reconstructing Oaxacan cuisine plant by plant. And so that's what was, I'm interested in one particular chili, the tabiche. That's sort of my icon. But of a bunch of other plants that the Oaxacans, he's Mixtec, for example, up on the eastern Sierra, who are bringing their cuisine back one plant at a time.
Over a year of interviews and research, Valle discovered that throughout history and across international borders, from pre-colonial times in ancient Mexico to modern times in Southern California, chilies have connected to Mesoamerican concepts of contentment, home, and civilization.
There is a different way of talking about culture that isn't so overt, that isn't so obvious, and it is involved in the action, in the doing, right? And in flavors and in sense memories. And a lot of the time, one other thing too, food is important because a lot of our earliest memories of a culture are through food.
Valle plans to publish his research in an upcoming book, The Poetics of Fire, Metaphors of Chili Eating in the Borderlands. For Cal Poly Magazine, this is Larry Pena.